Hello, good night. Om Swastiastu. Let me introduce. My name is Reinhard Gabriel Maskataran, in the name 22055311114 in the medical material and process for lecture guardian Professor Dr. Cokoda Gede Tirta Nindya STMT. In this presentation, I present to chapter 8 to finishing process for including head treating. The finishing process or including head treating. For one, the process cleaning. For process cleaning surface, in point 1, in first point is caution based on type and level that on object work. Level clean lines which required. Size, form, and materials object works. For second point, object design. Increase aesthetics. For second, prepare surface for coating, finishing, or assembly. For generally followed by one, flushing, and second point, drying. In drying, especially if use material cleaning liquid. For this picture, a dagger steam, typical saw in average cross sections. Steam, hot and clean condition object work, temperature room, which are lowered to in steam, and to clean oil and beer. For second project, object work, which more dirty can soap, moreover formally in fluid solvent, when number of degreaser to sprayer solvent liquid, and or tank containing soap for help cleaning. And this one, process cleaning electrochemistry. For process cleaning electrochemistry, typical process that can done for one, cleaning alkali, cleaning soap, preservation or pickling, cleaning tube cell. For second point, cleaning alkali electrolyte. At cleaning alkali electrolyte, solution alkali function as electrolyte. Object work become work one electrode. Tank or plate still become electrode outer. For second point, cleaning sour electrolyte. For at cleaning sour electrolyte, use solution preservation sour as electrolyte. For two, object work as cathode and tank or plate still as anode. Okay, next, in point B, this is process polishing. First point in process polishing, this is polishing conventional. At polishing conventional, this is operation refinement surface which don't throw action, cutting, partial, abrasive, which glue or impregnate in well or belt flexible. For second point, polishing gravel or tumbling. In polishing barrel, this is usually used for remove grinder. Also can become method polishing with effective. And for third point, electropolishing. At electropolishing, object work connect to side positive anode or supply power, and temporary connect to atode to side negative. And for point, polishing. At process polishing, smoothing surface object work with deformation compressive, and usually use roll plane. For point C, at point C is process coating. At process coating, in conventional electroplating. Conventional electroplating, this is coating the surface of the workpiece with a layer of metal. When object work connected to terminal negative, source current one way, and a base metal which will save to connect to terminal positive. In this picture is illustration schematic processing coating electroplating. For point D, this point is painting or finishing organic. For painting, this picture is pen placed to turbo result. That don't get narrow home. However, we can control in part lower or tank this can given pressure. And next process plane flow drop to gaping in or curtain the part that will painted move to lower tank, which speed still and pass curtain, which coat it with paint flow. Next, coating paint powder. At coating and powder, this is resin plastic powder dry steam in a way pneumatic from source supply to gun spray. And next, spray particle load from gun spray. Interested to object work which connected to lamp through style pull electrostatic and attached to him. To schematic coating paint powder in this picture. Okay, next for this picture composition with us for coating powder with cam fluid. When electrostatic composition is very similar with shown for cam fluid normal. To expect that powder given cargo electrostatic, which cause practical interested to object work with. For point E, at point E maintain surface chemistry. For first point, anodizing is process electrolyte which produce layer oxygen, aluminum, and a number of metal other. For second point, phosphatization object work iron or steel deposited with salt in solution, salt phosphate running with as dissolved previously with phosphate metallic. For third point, coating conversion chromate. In coating conversion chromate, object were soaked, sprayed or brushed with solution salt compound chromium hexavalent. And for fourth point, coating oxide black. This is maintenance chemistry for component iron and steel. For point F, coating water. For first picture is vacuum metal painting. What is its example? Electric resistance heating vapors the coating metal. When the metal vapor travels in a straight line and condense on the surface of the workpiece. And to second picture, arrangement for structure apply to material to surface substrate. And coating spray thermal. At process coating spray thermal, when where metallization, thermal must beginning process spraying and thread through gun expenditure through drying fire with melt and wire. When air compressed, organ stem metal which melt and push drop vignette 300 until 800 feet per second. And next, this is process spraying arc plasma. Process spraying arc plasma, when is used arc current one way to similar with arc welding for heat gas. This is schema metal arc plasma. Okay, for point G. At point G, treatment hot metal. When in treatment hot metal, analyze term general for softening metal. In this process, involving warm up object work until temperature which in accordance to hold item temperature during time curtain then cool it down red curtain. This picture is diagram pass for steel. This diagram show structure which format in steel level contain carbon and temperature. Next, for this picture, To first pictures, this is carburetor packing for use material combusted as source carbon. For second pictures, carburation liquid, this is use solution salt liquid, no material combusted. And for the pictures, this is carburization gas done with gas carrier carbon instead of material liquid or combusted. And to solution treatment or precipitation hardening or egging or egg hardening. This process 3 steps. To the most general done in a way sequentially. This picture diagram simple for aluminium copper. When the tank not allow which container to 3 copper. When the for temperature at 900 Fahrenheit, the copper enter in solution. For this is process short pinning. For objective, increase rate fatigue object work, and to principal work. This is principal work have to for one surface object work short at bulk steel mold. Principal work for 2. This is produce voltage press remainder in surface or until a number of 1000 inch. And method throwing well steel. This is pressure air through nozzle. This is style centrifugal from well spinner. Okay, next, this is method making product. For making product indentation stamp, this is symbol or number pressed to surface object work with mold which hardened in machine press pans. Machine press are border machine press hardware, pneumatic or solder in way individually with collision hammer, sometimes small roll and equipment use. This is picture example tool for making rope with stamp. To printing various method used for transfer picture to object work or to labels, text or plate name which will affix on object work. For picture 1, this is plate print engraved. Picture B, this traces in the printing plate or filled with ink. And picture C, this is soft rubber pads in position tossing the printing pad. And the picture D, the bearing is pressed wind into the plate. And picture E, ink moved from plate to bearings. And for F, this is the bearing is moved to the workpiece. And for G, this is the bearing is pressed again to workpiece. And for H, this is a picture the ink image inside the workpiece. And that all from the presentation for me. Thank you.